To manage app permissions on Nothing Phone 3A, we can go to Settings. Over here, choose Apps, and then you can manage the most recently opened app over here. So you can choose one of them, or you can go to see all apps, and then you can choose the app for which you want to manage permissions. And then you can go to permissions here, where you can find everything that is allowed and everything that is not allowed. So for example, if I want to allow location, then I can choose location over here, sorry. And then we can choose, for example, allow only while using the app. In some cases, we can also allow all the time, and we can also be asked every time. And that is essentially it. Another way to manage app permissions is to go to security and privacy instead. And then over here, scroll down to go to privacy controls, and then go to permission manager. And here we can find the list of all permissions. So we do this the other way around. First we select the permission, and then we select the app. So as you can see here, we also have the list of apps that are allowed to use the selected permission all the time, only while in use, and also not allowed over here. So we can tap on the app for which we want to adjust permission over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!